today I want to share with you this mobile app that is shaping people's lives and making people's lives better. My name is Ernest Digits, and today I will share with you a few tips on how I do my sales and how I share out a little images and products on my tools that I use online right away from MOSHOP. Remember, MOSHOP is an app and a site that helps you to work online for free. It's an e-commerce website where you'll share a lot of products for you to start making money. Everything is done for you. Now today I want to show you some of the things that I use, tools that I do, everything step by step. So don't make a step away, because I'll share with you these tips for free. Now I want you to click on the subscribing button and share out with your friends and families, so that you can invite guys. Whenever you invite people on MOSHOP, you'll get commission. At the same time, when you sell these products, you'll get your profit, and that's how life makes better. So let me jump into the strategies on how to make more sales on MOSHOP, the one I use, and how I do it until the end. So stay here, don't go away. First, before we continue, I want to share with you this moshop.com website, where you can see some of the goods that are available. And in the next part, I'll share with you how to toggle and where to find MOSHOP on Facebook and how their website looks like. Then number 3, I'll share with you insights on MOSHOP Google Play. This is an app. It's found on Android and even if you're using iOS. And then the next part of this video, it will be how to share your images and how to sell your products on WhatsApp. That is it. And the same time on Twitter, Instagram, and how you can share out on other platforms like Facebook groups, Facebook page, and Facebook with Facebook friends, easily for you to get more sales. Now let's start in the word go. Well, let's check the website and some of the goods that are available on website. So here you'll find, first of all, come up with the some of the promotions and some of the things that are going on. Immediately you'll get notified on the products that are here and big sales, so you grab yourself quickly as we go. Make sure you capitalize on promotions, and special days are coming up, especially when it comes to Valentine and so forth, so you'll get more money and more sales, and MOSHOP will share these products for free for you to start selling. And if you want more updates and you want to receive more notifications, you can also follow them on Facebook. Click the like button, and at the same time you'll find most of the you'll quickly find updates on what's going on MOSHOP. At the same time, you can download the app, because the app comes with and enable notifications. Then when you install on your phone, you'll get the notifications immediately. New products are given out or any promotions that are there. Then let's go back to our website. There are several products here which you can filter yourself. If you filter them, you can see some of the things that you like for your friends and family. If you're a lady and you want to check about health and care, electronics, beauty, and clothing, you can just click here and then choose on them. As you click the application, apply filters. Of course, the filters what it does, it gives you first priority products for your target group of people. Now if you are looking for electronics, make sure you go to these electronics and choose some of them. Like I wanted to check some of the earphones. Let's start with the earphones, just one product for us to see how it works out. So if you choose these and smartwatches, then apply, you'll find that it will only filter all the things that you have selected and comes on top. And then you'll use this button to click about, then scroll down, then look at these earphones. Very beautiful earphones at 1,499. So when you click on it, you'll find that it will bring you an image I want to do is click on the image and save this image. You can save this image immediately to like earphones, okay, then enter. So whatever happens is you have already saved the earphones, and when you go down here, you'll find that you'll get there the description of the earphones. And then on the other part is you'll see the images as they continue to hover around. I wanted a place where we can save the image, but the app itself works very well. You'll see parts of these images, all of them. So this is just an example. Make sure you download the image and save even the description, and make sure you check on the price. I'll do a video about it and how to do it on phone when you're using the mobile app. It's quite easy and for you. Now when you come to Facebook, after you have received this, find Facebook groups. Take for example selling groups, and don't go to groups that will not approve your pages. So like for mine, I can use these Kenya online businesses, and then just try to copy. What I'll do is I'll come here and then I'll copy this, okay. Then after copying this, I'll come here and curate a very good sales copy of my product post. And then when creating a public post, I'll bring my image. Take for example downloads. I think I'll bring my image, then open, then I'll paste this here, okay. Hey, are you in need of F1 wireless headphones Bluetooth? These are the products itself, and you can now toggle in the price at. You can just do this. You can just take for example, I can do this, shift at 2,000 shillings only. So you enter and do your post. So when you post like that, you'll find that guys will come up over it. You can do that over and over again in different groups when you search them here, or marketing groups which are free, and do that. It's quite easy when you do it on your mobile phone. So go to your Google Play Store, search for Google for MOSHOP app, and download it for your phone. Then the next part is you can share this on your status. That is, you can do this very easily on your mobile status. What you have to do is you only come here and select. You can this is one of the status that I put. I've brought this the web version for you to know and for you to see, so that we can quickly finish this video very quickly, because I don't want to take a lot of time here. It's just about 10 minutes. Oh, sorry. Let's bring up someone's status. Let me first of all go back. I'll just cancel this one. It's dragging up, don't know why. So when you come here, you only click, let me see, then I think my phone is not connected or what. Let me see. So what you do, you add on more status, like this is a new chat or something. Yeah. So there's a way how you're going to add on your Facebook and WhatsApp. At the same time, you can make a post on Twitter, and make sure you use hashtags. With Twitter, you use hashtags. Like when you come here, you'll see trending things like President Uhuru Kenyatta, Mungiki, Bobby Wine, and so forth. So what you have to do is when you creating, use best hashtags. No. Use hashtags like yes, hashtag Uhuru. Let me see. Uhuru Kenyatta. It's a hashtag that's doing well in Kenya right now, as you can see on your left hand. Then at the same time, paste your information there. The information looks so Twitter does not allow such a long post, so what you have to do, you create one. I'll show you. I'm just using this one as an example, but you can use this content and then change the words, change the what you use your say best sales copy, and then do it for yourself, and then use the image. What happens is the image, the most important thing is the image, the one that we downloaded. And sometimes it depends with different products, you find more images, even more. Then tweak this, you'll find that it will go according to the Uhuru Kenyatta, like that. Then that's on gone. At the same time, you can use Instagram. Come to Instagram and make a post again with hashtags, and then you continue selling like that. Do that over and over and over again. So if you love this video and you want to follow Ernest Digits, so on Instagram is Ernest Digits, on Twitter is, you can find me at Ernest Digits, and then we shall share like that. I do this every day, and most of the things, most of the products that I've done, they have gone out viral using just Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. At the same time, you can I do that also to my website. I have my website, it's called moshop.com.co.ke. Let me show you. And shop.co.ke. Though it's just a young website that I'm working on, you'll find that all these I write about products. Like for example, if this one, I write about these different products, and then make sure that I paste there links to buy, links to how to sell and how to buy on these products, and that it has worked out very well. At the same time, I use the power of YouTube. So if you need all these products and you find them very well, you can use this. And if you need a good website for you to sell your products online, and you want to start an online business, look for Ernest Digits. In the description below, I'll put there my email address, my business numbers, and so forth, for you to start making money online. See you in the next video as we talk on about how tools, add more tools for you to start making money. See you in the next video. Comment down below, let me know where are you watching this video from. Are you in Kenya, or which country and which part of Kenya are you watching? See you in the next video.